Hey friends, it's Jeremiah and welcome to my channel where today we are going to talk about what you need to create iOS apps. There are three key things, well, maybe four, that you need to create iOS apps. Okay, number one, the first thing you need is a Mac. Yes, you need a Mac computer. If you're developing for Android, the web, backend, or many other platforms, they allow you to use a Windows PC or a Mac. You get to choose. Now, you can use some Macs as old as 2012. There might be some performance hiccups with those Macs, but they will work. When I first started my iOS development, I bought the oldest iMac that supported the current version of Xcode just so I can write code. I think I paid $150 for it. It was very old, but I was able to start my coding career, my coding journey. So if price is a limitation, get the oldest thing you can find that supports the most recent tools. Now, there are cross-platform tools that allow you to build iOS apps. React Native, Flutter, and there's some other ones out there too. But you still need a Mac to build and run those different cross-platform applications. Number two, the second thing you need is Xcode. Xcode is the IDE, integrated development environment, that developers use to build iOS apps. It has a source editor, tools for debugging and testing your code. It has a simulator for running your app, and it has mostly useful warnings and error messages when you write your code. So it's going to try to help you figure out what's wrong. And Xcode is a free download from Apple. Keep in mind, when you want to target the latest iOS, you will need the latest major version of Xcode. Okay, number three. The third thing you need is a desire and willingness to learn. The iPhone is an amazing platform to develop for. I love building things for the iPhone. There's always new features coming out. There's always new hardware releases that provide so many opportunities to enhance your app. Many of these new features come with new or updated APIs that you will have to take advantage of in your app. So you're constantly learning, constantly having to do new things in your app. So you're going to need that willingness and that desire to learn and to keep learning. Okay, I know it said there were three, but yes, there is a fourth thing that you will need if you want to publish your apps onto the App Store. You need a paid developer account, an Apple developer account. It costs $99 a year, and it allows you to publish apps to the iOS, the tvOS, the macOS, the watchOS, all of the respective app stores. It gives you access to them to publish your apps to those stores. So if you want to release these apps into the wild, you will need to pay for a developer account. And that wraps up the video. Those are the four things you need if you want to start creating iOS apps. If you have any questions, let me know down below. Also, let me know what you want to hear in the next video. Let me know what you want to hear coming up. Put that in the comments below. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.